A warning to our viewers, this next story contains very distressing images. A 15-year-old girl was allegedly mauled in a school in Muntinlupa City. The girl's mother says school officials tried to have her delete the now viral video. Paulo Barcelon has the full story.
In this viral video on social media, a young girl is seen being dragged to the floor by her classmates. This was moments after she was allegedly punched in the face. The victim's mother told Billionario News Channel the incident happened last August 4.
Bagok yung ulo. So, nabagok yung ulo kaya siya isinugod sa ospital kasi nagkaroon ng pagsusuka. So, nangyari yung away nila, yung pagkakasakitan in the morning during school hours. Tapos nung kinagabihan, doon siya nagsuka.
The hospital is not ruling out the possibility that the teenager suffered a traumatic brain injury secondary to mauling. A day after the incident, the victim's mother posted the video of the incident on her social media page, which caught the attention of school officials.
They approached me and asked me to take down the post.
Sino po ang nag-approach sa inyo na i-take down yung post na yun?
Well, actually, initially, ang tumawag po kasi sa akin is the yung class advisor. Pero nung time na yon through messenger, nung time na yon si class advisor pala ay kasama na meron na siyang DepEd official na nandun.
The victim's mother also showed screenshots of other accounts urging her to delete the video, which was eventually taken down by Meta. In a statement, the local DepEd office says they are now investigating the incident while prioritizing the well-being of the learners involved. Just last week, Education Secretary Sani Angara earlier signed the new implementing rules and regulations of the anti-bullying law, which seeks to implement standard anti-bullying policies for all schools. Muntinlupa City Mayor Rufy Biazon has also met with the parents of the learners. The victim's mother adds the class advisor has also approached the family and gave cash assistance and the names of the children involved. She also hopes that the teenagers involved in the incident are given sanctions.
Hindi lahat ng mga actions mo madadaan sa simpleng sorry, sa simpleng paghingi ng dispensa. Meron kang mga pagkakamaling magagawa sa buhay na hindi mo na, kahit pilitin mong itama, hindi mo na mababawi.
The victim is still in the hospital, awaiting another CT scan. Paulo Barcelon, Billionario News Channel.